What's up YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I've been waiting a while to actually replace my window weather stripping on my car, on my Honda Civic Sport, but today we got in the parts this week, so I'm going to be replacing that with my dad, and let's get it. Okay, so what is this? This one piece. I want to see what this is. So, do these fit different like sides? This looks like it fits. So, we need to take off all of this. Okay. Let's see. The video should be right here.
It's going to be somewhat of a tutorial on how to replace the door trim on the bottom of the windows of 2017 Honda Civic. A good tutorial for this exact part doesn't exist, so I'm not sure if I'm going to post this, but if you're seeing this with water, I had to drain it out from the bottom. But it's still attached there, or I really want to fall into the door and take this off, so
Please pretty much just rip off.
I think I just looked up car trim removal tools for sputters.
Yes, that's what we have.
So that's great, huh? Alright, cool.
You just like rip it off.
Nice. There's that.
So, that's what we got to do, I guess.
That's long enough. Now, this is already pretty loose back here. To my knowledge, there's no screws I need to remove here, so I'm just going to go for it and see what happens. If I got the plastic instead of metal. Okay, so that's great, huh?
You should probably open the door. I'll get my keys.
I can tell there's a little piece here that it's in.
Looks pretty good so far.
I think
Just rip it out, yeah.
I just don't want to bend the metal.
What metal is there?
Here.
This, like,
Looks like it's.
doesn't look like there's any metal on this other part.
I didn't say on there. I'm talking about on the car. Here's that one, though.
Yeah.
So here's my piece.
Kind of like a two-part.
My piece just got a clip right there.
So we just need to kind of bend it up towards us.
I think it probably goes on front.
This is why we need this, because otherwise it'll go in the door. It's hot.
Oops.
There you go inside.
Yeah, there's some metal right there. Yeah. So there's.
Gotta
some
get Band-Aid.
Can you just get me a paper towel?
Yeah.
So this one doesn't need a clip because it actually slides in a little bit.
Looks kind of big. Oh. Oh. It's interesting. That can stay in? Does it stick?
That stays in right there. And my clip's in here.
Okay.
So you go over it. So the clip is.
The right side?
Right here. So that's,
yeah.
and then there's a clip on that side. So we're gonna go in right about where the clip is. And it's probably gonna break. This is where I cut myself because there's thin metal right here, so you have to be careful. See the clip?
Just clips out if you pull it away.
You see it?
Yeah. And then the other one.
Be careful because there's metal, so. And then that one's
Metal of the
pretty
door
easy.
cut you? Like this?
No, as I was pulling up.
This one just broke.
Yeah, as I was pulling up on this, there's metal inside of this, and it sliced me. Here.
It's good. A little bit dirty in there.
You can wipe it if you want.
I guess the dirt got in if this thing wasn't good.
Working. So you can wipe it off.
Yeah.
If you want to go get.
But if water goes in there, then it'll go into the door.
Don't like soak it, just moisten it.
Okay. This is the other piece.
Are you gonna wipe it?
I guess so. It should stick better that way.
It'll just be. Yeah, I didn't notice this side was dirty.
Looks like some of the sticker is still on there. Pick that up later.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit of stick was still.
Wash it.
It's hot. Okay, and then get the next piece. So just stick it in.
Pay attention to where the clips are.
So it goes in there
On the other side. So
on the other side?
see, this piece is going.
Why is there a hole then?
This piece bends in and clips there.
So it's like double.
So it's on that side, and then the other side is clipping into it. Holding it.
Okay.
Do you want to fit it all lined up?
Yeah, you just have to push it.
Push it. Make sure the clip is on the right side. Not on the side, on the other side.
Yeah.
You push it, push it.
You have to like match it up though. This. And then it clips in. A lot of the parts in the cars like clip, right? Like the bumper just clips.
Yeah. Didn't hear it.
We want it to stay in there. Next one, where's the tool?
Well, this one's different. This one's clipped and then slides in here. So you're gonna pop it up. Pay attention on here. Where's the clip?
So it should pop on this side more.
Well, it's gonna only clip on that side. It's it's slid into the piece over here.
It's probably like right here.
You know exactly where it's going.
Yeah, it's like right here. But usually it works if you take it out. Right there.
Yep.
Maybe.
Let's see.
Doesn't seem to be coming out. There it is. It's kind of dirty in here too. Oh, jeez. Okay, so now that the window stripping or weather stripping is done, it's gonna, well, I can make sure that no water will get in there, whether I'm doing a car wash or whether it's raining, because I have my car parked outside. So yeah, this car was about 6 years old, so it's pretty important that we replace that, and it only took about 15 minutes, as you saw, and it was a pretty important thing. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like now. This is what it looks like. It's just flush, and underneath all of this is basically just a hole, and it just goes into the door. So this is definitely an important thing to do. This was something that we needed to do because this is a 6-year-old car. It's just rubber, so of course it was cracking over time, but now it's all fixed, so I can make sure no water will get into my car, and it's all good. Make sure to follow or subscribe for more, and I'll be doing more stuff to my car, trying to look for some black badges to put on it, but for now, that's all, and subscribe.